Wayshowers, you are given a time and a plan, and you are given a point and guidance to understand. The teachers of light have pointed you towards the path of enlightenment. This is no longer a game. This is your path and your life. You are wayshowers of the golden sun. You are here to help and reach into everyone. You are to bring forth the lighted pathway. It is for you to know that this is the golden age. It is spoken to you to know this truth. You are given hope and you are given food. You are the ones chosen, and we love you. The teachers of light wish for you to be aware of your being, to know that you are the ones that are bringing forth the destiny that has been spoken of for eons. It is always this way. It is always those that are young and strong and vibrant and wise to take up the power and to lead the family of light into the new dawn. You are the bringers of the dawn. You are the ones that have been chosen by the celestials. You are connected to the higher principles of life, of goodness, of knowledge, of happiness, of wisdom, of love, of appreciation, of kindness, of compassion, of valor, an appreciation of yourself to be the courageous one that will speak forth and walk into the light that is calling you.